Uy, Bisaya ka. Actually, here in Cebu, konti lang ay gamay. Ibaw ko mag-Bisaya gamay. I'm waray kasi. So, I'm struggling in both dialects. Kasi dito sa Cebu, since hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya, yung ginagamit ko na language is Tagalog. Pero I'm starting to learn Bisaya. Yes. Kaya nga, as you can see, yung language ko is very, mixed na. Kasi at work, I'm using English. And then when when I talk with my colleagues at work, I would sometimes speak Bisaya or Tagalog. Tapos dito, like, sa pag uwi ko is, yung ginagamit ko is Waray. Kasi I have a Waray roommate. So, nag-mix na talaga siya. Thank you so much sa mga nag-follow sa akin. Oh my gosh, I appreciate it. This is my second time na mag-live and oh my God. Sa mga bagong pasok pa lang, please follow nyo ako. I'm begging. Grabe, no? I don't want to talk about politics because we are subjected to a lot of different opinions, so I don't want to be bashed. So let's just talk about life in general. Talk about work. If any one of you here is also, working in a BPO industry, you would probably, or sino mga taga Cebu dito? Uy, grabe naman to si Thank you so much. ESMT4D. Thank you so much. And I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her. The funny little girl slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling and it's slipping through my fingers all the time. School bag in hand,